Hello everybody, thanks for joining me again. Just a short video, but as promised, I'll keep you informed of what I'm doing. So, down at the River Dart, and I'm going to be looking for some dippers. Hopefully I'll get some film of those. If not, just look at these colours. There's certainly going to be something to photograph. Right, let's go and have some fun. Well, I have made one change today. As you can see, I'm wearing some more subtle colours. Normally I'd wear a bright jacket or something just to make that look good on camera. But today I want to blend in, and hopefully that'll give me a better chance of seeing more wildlife. One schoolboy error I made is I forgot to put my Wellington boots in the car, so I'm wearing my trainers. That might restrict me to where I can go, but let's see. I've walked quite some way up the river to this woodland section. As you can see, there's still quite a few of these small trees hanging on to their leaves, and the contrast with the darker trunks is great. All I've got to do is find some to isolate and get a good composition. This could take a few hours. So I'm leaving the camera just over there by the bag for a second. Trying to follow the paths made by animals so I'm not trampling on anything. But I want to see if I can get closer to some of these isolated trees. So I really like this small one, because of the dark background, but there might be some better ones. If you look over here, those two there with the green and the orangey yellow, that must be a good one. Well, I've come back along the river a bit. I can see the dipper in the water. Just need to get close enough to take a photograph without spooking it. Let's give that a go. So difficult. As soon as I got a little bit closer, he flew a little bit further up the river. I'm going to keep still, see if he comes back to these rocks here. Well, I think that's enough for now. I've lost sight of this dipper for a moment, so I'm going to stop filming, start taking photographs, and I'll try and keep you updated next week. But for now, cheerio.